Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the viral cat filter in the Zoom meetings and the Google Meet meetings.
Mr. Ponton, I believe you have a filter turned on in the video settings. You might want to take a look.
Can you hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. I think it's a filter.
It is, and I don't know how to remove it. I've got my assistant here. She's trying to, but I'm prepared to go forward with it. I'm here live. I'm not a cat.
I can see that.
Alright, to start off this tutorial, you're going to need to get the download file, and you can find the download file by searching up Snap Camera. This is what the Snap Camera website looks like. You're going to want to download. If the download doesn't work on the Snap Camera website, because sometimes the Snap Camera website is super slow, there's an alternative, and you can scroll down and find the Snap Camera download on this website here and download this version instead. Since the Snap Camera website is super slow for me, I'm going to download the Snap Camera through this website. You're going to want to click free download here. Click no thanks down here. Free download. Wait for it to download. Click keep. Alright, now that Snap Camera is done downloading, you're going to want to click on it to start installing. Want to click install anyways. Click yes. Next, next, next. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, next, and then install. Wait for this to finish installing. Alright, now that it's done installing, you're going to want to launch the Snap Camera app. You can update to the newer version, but I'm just going to skip this for now. And just like that, you now have the Snap Camera application installed on your computer. Now you're going to want to go to the Search Lenses tab and search up cat. Now, as you guys can see, the cat filter is right here. Next, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this cat filter on Google Meet or Zoom. Now that you're in your own meeting, you're going to want to go to the Start Video and click the little arrow key up here. And then you can see the camera options right here. This is my normal webcam. This is not what you want to click. What you guys want to click is Snap Camera. Click Start Video and you can see Zoom is streaming the cat filter onto your Zoom meeting. The process is very similar for Google Meet. Just click the three dots down here, go to Setting, go to Video, and change your camera to Snap Camera. Once this is set, as you can see, it uses Snap Camera webcam, and you can join now and it will show the Snap Camera's cat filter. If you want a cat filter similar to what was in the lawyer video, go in the search lenses, search up not a cat, and here you can see all the similar lenses. Hope you guys enjoyed how to get this cat filter on Google Meet and Zoom. Like and subscribe for more.